Hi, I'm Ruth at SimplyBook.me. We are here in Cyprus on our workshop and let's enjoy the ride. Every year we try to meet up in person because a lot of the time people are working in different locations all around Europe.
This is just great for overall company culture because people can feel themselves much more comfortable.
It's so interesting because I communicate and speak with these people every day online.
Speak to them in real life instead of the camera.
I'm hoping to take away some meaningful collection with everybody.
To bring everyone together and really boost the morale in the company.
Every single meeting like this, all the communication becomes so much better afterwards.
I enjoy the energy with working with my team.
Feeling each other as a family, so we collaborate effectively.
We work as one.
A day like today is really meaningful for me because I don't think there's that many companies in the world that would fly out their employees to a place, and that's down to the really amazing management that we have and the team culture that we've built.
I love my people, every single one of them, and it just makes so much difference to meet in person.
It's extremely important to get the message out that we are here for everyone and we're going to support everyone's growth.
I'm looking forward to more informal setting tomorrow and some fun moments with the team.
I'm most excited for tomorrow and for the boat.
Tomorrow will be a great day, amazing day on yacht and a lot of water activities.